Yes, my people, I'm here with my friend Money Man. JFC, Jamaican Fried Chicken, the best in Queens, New York. Let's get inside and see what's going on. Check out the menu. It's time to order salmon rasa pasta. That's strong and delicious. Jamaican Fried Chicken. That is my friend Money Man. Champion meal from Jamaica Fried Chicken. We have their signature fried chicken, red bean and rice, fresh salad, coffee to wash it down, and a sweet bread on the side. Talk now. Let's see how this goes. Red bean and rice, and fresh salad, fried chicken. Jamaican food, very tasty, delicious. Coffee to wash it down. Let's have a taste of this sweet bread. Sweet and fruity. More coffee. Going on good, going on good. Good food, good food.